Hey there, I'm Coco, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to uncover the secret magic behind words. Have you ever wondered what makes a sentence move, wiggle, and bounce? Well, today, we're going to find out exactly how that works, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's jump right in. Are you ready to move, jump, and literally play with words today? I want to hear a huge yes right from your living room. Awesome, I heard that. Today is going to be like a big interactive game show where you get to help me figure out the answers. Okay, take a look at this word, V-E-R-B, verb. Simply put, a verb is an action word. It tells us exactly what a person, an animal, or a thing is actually doing. So the absolute most important thing to remember today is a verb is an action word. Can you say that with me? A verb is an action word. It's the magic piece that shows us what someone or something is doing. Check out this magic formula. You take a noun, so a person, animal, or thing, and you add a verb, which is our action word. Put them together and boom, you've got a complete living sentence. Like take a bird, that's the animal. What does it do? It flies. So we get the bird flies. Or a baby, what's the baby doing? The baby sleeps. And children? Well, the children play. The verb literally brings the whole thing to life. And you know what? We use these action words all the time, starting the minute we wake up. Think about being at home. You eat your breakfast, you drink your juice, maybe you sleep when you're tired or sit down to read a book or write a story. Eat, drink, sleep, read, write. You do these things every single day, so you're actually using verbs constantly. Then you pack up and head to school. What verbs are we doing there? Well, you learn new things, right? You draw and color pictures, you count your numbers, 1, 2, 3, and of course you listen to your teacher. Learn, draw, color, count, listen. You're actively doing all of these, so yeah, they're absolutely verbs. All right, time for recess. Let's take it outside where the action gets even bigger. Outdoors, you might run across the field or jump super high. You walk with friends, swim in a pool, or climb up the playground equipment. Run, jump, walk, swim, climb. You can just feel the energy, right? Those are massive, powerful action words. And what about when you're just goofing off and having fun? You dance to music, you sing, you play games. But check out these last two. Laugh and smile. Yep. Even just grinning from ear to ear means you're doing something. Smiling and laughing are actions, which means they are definitely verbs too. Okay, so how do you know for sure if a word is a verb? Come in close, because I'm going to let you in on a top secret tool. I call it the quick trick. Just look at your sentence and ask yourself one simple question. Is someone or something doing an action? If the answer is yes, then bam, that action word is your verb. Here's exactly how this quick trick works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Look at the sentence. Let's use the rabbit jumps. Step 2, ask the trick question. Is someone or something doing an action? Well, yeah, the rabbit is. Step 3, find the verb. What is the rabbit actually doing? It jumps. So jumps is our verb. Works like a charm every time. All right, let's put this into practice with a fun little game show round. I need you to help me fill in the blanks. Ready? Birds blank in the sky. What action do birds do in the sky? Starts with an F. Shout it out. Did you say fly? You totally nailed it. Birds fly in the sky. Fly is our verb. You're getting really good at this. Let's try another. Fish blank in the water. What action are the fish doing? Use that quick trick. Yell it out for me. Yes, swim. Fish swim in the water. You are crushing these verbs. Okay, one more for this round. Children blank in the playground. What do kids do on a playground? Give it a good shout. Play, exactly. Children play in the playground. Play is the action, so play is the verb. Moving right along to rapid fire quiz time. Look at this sentence. The boy runs fast. Now, which one is the verb? Is it A, boy, B, runs, or C, fast? Ask yourself, what action is the boy actually doing? If you went with B, runs, you got it. High five. Runs is the action word. Next up, let's keep the momentum going. She sings a song. Where's the action here? Is it A, song, B, sings, or C, she? Remember your quick trick. Yep, it's B again. Sings. Sings is our winner because that's the action she's actively doing. Let's mix it up a bit. Which word all by itself is a verb? A, happy, B, run, or C, read? Think about which of these you can actually do. Did you pick B? Awesome, because you can't read someone, but you can definitely run. Run is the action word. All right, trick question time. Which of these full sentences actually has a verb in it? A, the blue ball. B, the children play. C, a big elephant. Which one has real action going on? Spot on, it's B, the children play. Sentences absolutely need a verb to come alive. A blue ball and a big elephant are great, but they aren't doing anything until we add a verb. Okay, you did so well there that it's time to level up. Challenge time. No multiple choices here, you're flying solo. Find the verb in this sentence. The baby cries. Look really close. What action is happening? Tell me. Yes, cries. The baby cries. You found it. Next, challenge. I draw a picture. If you're stuck, just fall back on the quick trick. Is someone doing an action? Yeah, I am. And what am I doing? Draw. Draw is the action word, so draw is the verb. Fantastic. All right, final challenge sentence. Make it count. The dog barks loudly. I'll give you a dramatic countdown for this one. 3, 2, 1. Let me hear it. Barks. The dog barks. Barks is our action word. Honestly, you're basically a verb expert now. You made it through the challenge. To wrap this up, let's quickly review the golden rule for today so it sticks right in your brain. Remember, a verb is an action word. It just tells us what someone or something is doing. Whether that's run, jump, swim, or play, if it's an action, it's a verb. You did absolutely amazing today. Verbs literally make sentences come alive. And now that you know the secret magic behind words, I want you to go out and bring your own sentences to life. Think about it. What action word are you going to do next? Are you going to run, jump, play? Get out there and be an action word. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you next time.